The SF72 series are nano SIM card connectors. The ST11H series are low-profile push-push microSD card connectors. The WP12 series are compact 15-amp board-to-board FPC connectors. The WP16RS series are fully shielded RF board-to-board FPC connectors. The WP26DK series are board-to-board FPC connectors. The WP55DK series are ultra-compact board-to-board FPC connectors. The WP86SD series are compact quad-row board-to-board FPC connectors. Visit JAE.com to learn more about our mobile device connectors.